Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to recover password in Binance. So let's start this video. First open your Binance application, then make sure that you are connected with the internet. Click on this sign up and login option. Over here you have to write down the email or your phone number. After that you have to click on next. Now if you don't know the password, you just have to click on this forgot password. Now it says reset password. So you just have to click on continue. After that a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. So just copy that 6-digit verification code and write down over here and paste it over here. Now over here you have to write down your new password. Now you have to click on confirm and you click on login. So as you can see my password is changed. So now again you have to log in. Just click on next and then write down your new password. So as you can see I have successfully logged into my Binance account. If you don't know your email address from which you want to log into your Binance application, then just contact their help support. To contact them, you have to click on this microphone icon on the top bar. It will bring you to a new page. You just have to wait for a few seconds. And over here, these are all the queries that you are looking for. So just scroll down and then click on get support. Over here, you can chat with them and address your issue that you currently don't remember your email address but remember your phone number, so they can help you. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.